Good morning, students. Welcome you all in this learning session. My dear students, today we are going to start our study of the chapter named as Packing, that is taken from your book behind. Dear students, today we will study para number 1 to 4 of this chapter. Packing is based on the theme that routine works are not as easy as they seem to be. The humorous story entertains the readers with the chaotic and confusing situations created by the clumsiness of three friends, all of whom consider packing to be child's play. In the first para, my dear students, the narrator Jerome thought that his ability to pack luggage was better than others. He asked his friends George and Harris to leave the task of packing to him. The two friends agreed to his offer instantly, which was something strange. George sat comfortably on the easy chair, and Harris bent his knees as he sat on the sofa and kept his feet on the table. In the second para, the narrator says that by saying that he would pack, the narrator did not mean that his friends would sit and relax while he would do all the works. He had meant that he would boss upon them while they would do all the works. He would nag them and curse them for not knowing the work well, and then he would chip in to sort out the mess that they would create. He was irritated to see them sitting while he did all the works. In the third para, the narrator recollects that once he lived with a man who would sit lazily on the sofa all day through and would watch the writer do all the works. The man would say that he enjoyed watching him go around doing all the work. This would make the writer mad with anger. The writer adds that he could not sit idle and watch others work like slaves. On the other hand, he liked to check their work, walk around with his hands in his pockets, and direct them on how to do the work properly. He feels that as he was energetic, it was a part of his nature to behave in this manner. In para number 4, the writer says that the writer did not say anything to his friends and he started packing. As he closed it, Harris said that he had forgotten to pack the boots. The writer felt that Harris could have reminded him before he had closed the bag, but he thought that Harris was like that. This was followed by an irritating laughter by George, which made Jerome wild with anger. In para 5, the writer says that Jerome opened the bag to keep the boots in it. As he was about to close it, he was struck by a strange thought that had he kept the toothbrush or not. He says that he never remembers if he has packed the toothbrush or not. So, my dear students, it's time to test our understanding of the content. So, you have to give the answers of some questions that I am going to ask to all of you. Your first question is, who was the best packer? Jerome, George, Harris, or none of the above? The right answer is, my dear students, Jerome was the best packer. Your second question, my dear students, why was Jerome the best packer? First option is because of his ability to pack things. Second, because of his words. Third, because of his boasting. And fourth, none of the above. The right answer, my dear students, is because of his ability to pack things, Jerome was the best packer. Your third question, my dear students, who was irritating George and Harris? Options are Jerome, Montmorency, Peking, and all of the above. The right answer, my dear students, Montmorency was irritating George and Harris. Your fourth and last question, my dear students. What does uncanny mean? Options are strange, mysterious, difficult to explain, and all of the above. The answer is all of the above. Means the meaning of uncanny is strange, mysterious, and difficult to explain. Now, my dear students, the meaning of some of the difficult words are given. With the help of the meaning of these words, you can understand the content properly. And after the glossary, your classwork is given. In your classwork, there are 2 extract based questions and 4 short answer type questions. My dear students, you have to answer all these questions in your copy. So start right now. Okay. Now I hope all of you have enjoyed the session and understood the content properly. I hope to meet with all of you very soon. Till then, take care of you and thanks to all of you, my dear students. Thank you.